my channel. So this video is going to be a little different. On my previous video, which is the New Year, New Things 2021, I spoke about a makeup panning project video that I wanted to do. Well, this is it. This is the video. So I'll place a video card up above in case if you're curious, you want to know what upcoming videos I want to do for this year. Feel free to click the video card up above and you can hear all about them. So let's get started. I mentioned before that I did a makeup panning project and I was not successful, but I did walk away with some lessons learned, and so I put some thought into how I wanted to do this upcoming project. So I am doing this project on a month-per-month basis. Some of the products that I will not be trying to capture in this project are basic products such as foundations, face primers, like setting spray, skincare products. Also, what I'm not including on there are like lipsticks, eyeshadow toppers, and those eyeshadow toppers are like the ColourPop Super Shock or like the Stila liquid eyeshadows. Those, I just feel that those are enhancers, so I'm not going to be focused on trying to finish those. Also, eyeliners, lip liners, not sure if I mentioned mascaras, but yeah, and lipsticks. So those I will not be including into this project. What I will be including in this project are eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, and blushes. Those I will. After I run by the eyeshadows, the blushes, and the highlighters that I will be incorporating into this project, I'll talk about tallying, I'll talk about my low buy, and upcoming videos on how I'm doing with the makeup panning project. All right, so let's run by the products that I will be incorporating in this project, which are the eyeshadow palettes, the highlighters, and the blushes. So the 5 eyeshadow palettes that I will be using for the next 30 days is this first one here. This one is the Desi and Katy Friendication from Dose of Colors. I felt this one has a great combination of metallics, like shimmers, and some mattes, and a great combination color story, I think. So this is one of them. The next one is this Impulsive Palette from Melt Cosmetics. I feel that this one has some really beautiful colors in here, nice combinations, and I can definitely see a nice variety here for me to play with. So this next palette, this one is from Kat Von D, and this one is a Serpentina eyeshadow palette. This one's a really pretty one. This one has all these shimmers. I believe this one has only 2 mattes, this red one here and this purple one at the end. And these are beautiful colors. So these are really vibrant, kind of darkish, but I really like it. So I'm going to be incorporating that one. So the next eyeshadow palette is this one here from Glamlite, and this is the Cake palette. I feel this palette here has a large variety of different, vibrant, pretty, bold colors. These are really, really pretty. So I think this is really for one of those days where I really want to be bright and shining. I think this one's going to do it. All right, let's talk about my last palette. This is one of these cases from MAC where you can depot your individual eyeshadows and put them in here, and that's what I did. I depotted several of them, but as you can see, I've been using some of these for quite a while, and the way I've used this palette here is I use it sort of as a companion to the other palettes. All right, so I'm going to be incorporating blushes into this project, and the blushes I'm going to be using is this one here from Kiko, Milano. This one is sort of like a brownish, orangey color. Nice combination, really, really pretty. I like a lot of brown, orangey blushes. I think they really complement warm tone eyeshadow looks. And these two are from Benefits. So this one here is called Rockateur. And this is a beautiful, beautiful sort of peachy, almost kind of nudish brown blush. It's really pretty. All right, so this one here is sort of, this one's an orangey. This one's an orange blush. Really pretty. So I think that's really going to give me a nice combination of blushes. There is two other blushes, but I'm not sure if I will be using them because this product here is one of the products that falls under basics because it's use it for contouring, to contour. As you can see, it has two different contour shades, plus it's got these two blushes here. So I might end up here and there. If I get tired of using these, then maybe I might pick up one of these two when I use this contouring palette here. Let's talk about the highlighters now. So I will be using 3 highlighters, and this highlighter here is from Chanel, and this one is, if I can pronounce this right, it says Éclat Magnétique de Chanel in Metal Peach. And this one's a really pretty highlighter. It looks kind of champagne-y looking. Very, very pretty. Show you guys a swatch. Look how gorgeous that is. Very pretty. And the next highlighter is this one from ColourPop. This one is sort of a companion to the Cloud Spun pink eyeshadow palette, and this one is Candy Floss. So it's really sort of like whitish pinkish, but I'm not sure if you could see it. That looks so pretty. And this is sort of creamy. It's not really powdery. I think it's more like a cream. Look how pretty that is. Really pretty. And last is this highlighter from Smashbox, and this is part of the Hoodwitch collection. It's a crystallized highlighter. The packaging is gorgeous, and look at this highlighter. So pretty. Give you guys a swatch here so you guys can see it. Look at that. It's pretty, right? Gorgeous. So those are the 3 highlighters that I will be incorporating into this project. One thing that I will be doing with this project that I think is going to help me, and this is something that I learned a lesson from the previous painting project. I used a basket and I kind of grouped all of the products into that basket. Believe it or not, I found myself missing, or skipping, I should say, skipping over some of the products. Don't ask me how I missed them, I just did. I don't know if it was because they were on top of each other, and by the time I was almost done with my face, I'm like, oh my God, I forgot to use this, and I forgot to use this other product. So what I'm doing with this new project is I went to the dollar store and I got myself a couple of baskets, but these are a little different than your like regular basket. See, to me, this is the bottom tray is sort of like the regular basket where you would just put everything in there. Well, I got these little individual sort of rectangle long baskets here, and these were $1, so inexpensive. But look how I have them, or how I lined them up to kind of help me make sure that I visually see them and use them. So in the front here, I have my skincare products, and then I have my primer, my foundation, setting powder, and then and so forth. Just going down the row until I'm done using all of the products that I want to use for my face. One thing I'm going to be doing a little different in this project than what I didn't do previously is I'm going to give myself a break on Saturday and Sundays. Saturdays and Sundays, I will be free to use whatever eyeshadow palette, blush, highlighter that I want. So let's talk about tallying products. So there are 3 methods that I am aware of. There could be more out there that I just don't know about, but if you happen to know of other tallying methods, comment out below and let me know. The ones that I am aware of are using stickers on the back of the products, using your PC, such as using an Excel spreadsheet to track them, and also the notebook. The one that I'm going to be doing is the notebook. I put some thought into why I didn't like the sticker and the using the spreadsheet. To me, using the sticker, I just felt, well, if I'm going to be tracking it, I'm only going to be using like a little stick every time I use the product. It's really not going to tell me when I used it. It's just going to tell me the times that I've used that product. With the Excel spreadsheet, honestly, I don't keep my PC open all the time, and I just feel that it will take a lot more time for me to open up my PC, open up my spreadsheet, start logging things in. I just felt it's too time consuming for me. So I felt the notebook pad would be the best and quickest and easiest way for me. So let's talk about my low buy. Okay, so one of the things I will be doing is my goal is going to be spending less than the previous month until I get to a point where, hey, if I've come to a month where I haven't spent anything, great, even better. But my objective is going to be to spend less than the previous month. All right, and lastly, I will be doing video updates, just keeping you guys posted on the makeup looks that I do with the products, just letting you know how the week of my panning project went. Yeah, that pretty much I summed up the whole makeup panning project. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any suggestions, any other comments, please leave them down below. I definitely will be responding. So thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Bye.